Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to replace carbon air filter for this 2018-19 Jeep Compass. We have to remove the glove box assembly out. I would like to show you, so 3 screws inside the glove box to open the glove box. So one right here, one right there, and right there. Okay, and on the side, remove this cover. And there's also one screw right here, right? Remove that screw. And the tool is T25 star. So 3 screws there and 2 screws at the bottom. It be underneath this cover. So you pull this cover down. There's 1 screw right there and one in this corner right here. So I already removed it, right? So 6 screws. Now when it's out, you just can pull this unit out, right? Just a clip like this, white clip like this. One here, and see one on the side, and 2 or 3 at the bottom. And you unclip this wiring harness, just pull this clip a little bit up. Yeah, that's the light. So now you remove the whole assembly out, and now you can see right here, you still have to remove the screw here and a 10mm right here. This one is also T25, the same, with the screw up here, same size. And the Phillips screw to hold the cover, so I need to remove that and unclip on the side here. Careful, because if you pull too much, this clip is easy to break. Just pull this side out and slide it out. It just clip on that end, and here the filter. Okay, now put a new filter in. You can see there's arrow, airflow direction going down. That's trap at the top of the filter, so airflow that way. Okay, put it in. Now the cover, we slide in this end first and clip on this side. Clip that in. Okay, it's glove box back. We just line up this way, clip top. Now don't forget to plug this light back, because when we clip it in, you cannot plug it anymore. Okay. Yeah, now just clip in, open the glove box, close, it's good. Now we just need to put the screw in. 3 at the top, 2 at the bottom here, and 1 at the side, and put this cover back, and it's done. Yeah, that's how we replace this carbon air filter on this model. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you find this video help, please like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Thanks again for watching, guys.